Are you ready for Time Flies?
I want Batman to win.
Oh, I don't know if he's in this one. Maybe he is. Oh my heck, there's a Batman thing on the screen. I think Batman's gonna come.
The only driver with a chance to double down, John C. Sarkin.
Here we go.
Yay!
She's already waving her flag. There's Denece watching the Monster Jam. She's excited. Batman. What do you think, Denece?
We should win.
Gateway on impact, upside down, and heavy machinery really out for Kurt Travel as the safety crew into the owner. Make sure that John Seasock is all right. Monster Jam judges will be giving scores momentarily on John Seasock. Short freestyle run, leaving a lot of time on the clock. Safety crew getting him up out of the truck fans. He is all right. One cheer for John Seasock. Cheering on the truck for you fans in Sacramento. We need some noise for Batman. 3 weeks in to the Monster Jam Road to World Finals 15, and John Seasock has done a tremendous amount of damage. Sean, let's step over here out of the way. I know that is not the way you wanted to finish up your freestyle run.
That was way too early. Not quite sure what happened. I came around that corner. The truck just didn't react the way it should have, but you know, it kind of is what it is. The Sacramento fans are awesome here. All the Monster Jam fans around the world. A lot of support for them. Thank you guys to do big old tires. Wasn't for all these guys, we wouldn't be out here. We got 2 more shows, that's so many parts. We're getting that information. We'll be back to watch Pasadena tomorrow and Sunday.
Folks, he's going to get back out here for you guys.